In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have your Google account authorized inside Zoho CRM, so you can enable Google-powered features and pave the way for ads data to sync smoothly. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Zoho CRM organization with the right permissions, and use a Google account that has access to your Google Ads. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them for this setup. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage. This gives you a clean starting point and ensures your top navigation and admin controls are visible. If you manage multiple portals or sandboxes, double-check that you're in the intended environment to avoid linking the wrong workspace. Next, look to the top right corner of Zoho CRM and click the gear icon to open Setup. This is the control center where all integrations, user management, and customization live. We're heading here because Google integrations are configured at the account level, and changes made in Setup apply consistently across your CRM modules. Inside Setup, locate the section for Google integrations and select Google. Depending on your layout, this may appear under Integrations or a similar category. This page consolidates Google services that connect with Zoho CRM, including contacts and Google Ads, so authorizing here establishes the trust needed for data to flow between the two platforms. Now click Authenticate Google Contacts. Even though the label mentions contacts, this is the standard Google authorization flow Zoho uses to grant permissions for Google services overall. Initiating it here sets the foundation you'll rely on when enabling Google Ads features within CRM. When prompted, choose the Google account you want to link, ideally the one tied to your Google Ads. Follow the on-screen prompts to review and allow the requested permissions. If you're using a work account, your organization might require two-factor authentication or admin approval. Complete those steps if asked. If the consent window doesn't appear, check for a blocked pop-up or try a different browser session. Be sure you're selecting the correct Google profile if you're logged into multiple accounts at once. After you allow access, you'll be redirected back to Zoho CRM and should see that Google is authenticated. From here, you're set to manage your Google-related settings in the same area, including enabling Google Ads connectivity and adjusting how information syncs into your CRM. If you don't see the Google section or the Authenticate button, you may need elevated permissions. Reach out to your CRM administrator. That's it. You've authorized Google inside Zoho CRM, setting the stage for a clean connection to Google Ads and a smoother path to tracking and syncing your marketing data.